Hello everyone, my name is Diana Greenberg, I'm the BrowXenna brand trainer, and today I'll show you how to make brow coloring using Direct Pigment Lume No. 2. Don't forget about daily touch-ups. Let's go!
Do these problems sound familiar? Brows lose color quickly after tanning. Gaps in hair groove spoil the shape. Uneven color after dye tanning. Irritation from harsh formulas. Lume No. 2 solves it all. Results up to 6 days on the skin and 2 weeks on the hairs. Ammonia-free safe formula. Caring ingredients, panthenol and keratin, and ease of use. The pigment is ready to apply without mixing with oxidant. Before the procedure, do an allergy test 24 hours in advance. Clean and degrease the skin. Open the Lume No. 2 bottle, and the pigment is ready to use. With a brush, carefully outline the brow shape, fill in the gaps. Leave on for 20 seconds to 5 minutes depending on desired intensity. For a watercolor effect, spread the pigment with a damp brush. Rinse off the pigment with warm water, no shampoo needed. If you need, remove any excess with micellar water. And you're done! Now you can enjoy perfect brows for weeks without daily makeup.
Avoid saunas, swimming pools and oils in the first 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe the channel.